For the last few hundred years, feral children have been studied in order to understand primitive human behavior. The context of a feral child would have been very different at a time when wolves as hunters had already developed obvious cultural advantages that humans needed to learn in order to survive. It seems obvious that if a feral child returned to its own kind, it would carry the knowledge of the different culture, and if that culture was advantage, it would be adopted. For example, large band populations covering wide areas of territory as a grazing group may have been an advantage in the savanna south. But as the populations became hunters and moved into the rougher terrain of the north, which also had a winter, these large traditional ape troop groups would become a disadvantage. Smaller hunting packs, each with smaller territories, would become the optimal social organization. Within the larger bands, still based upon ape troop, pair bonding may not have developed. The randomization of genetic material is less of a problem in a large troop based upon the harem. One male reproducing amongst many females still randomizes genes. In contrast, smaller bands based upon the harem would face the problem of inbreeding. It is known that eventually we developed a cultural solution similar to that of the wolf pack, and at some point during our evolution we moved away from the ape harem towards pair bonding.